Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be reviewing the Super Signals Expert Advisor. All right, and it's a simple Martingale-Free scalper built around the one signal, one trade philosophy. All right. A quick note for you before we start. If you want a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 with plenty of built-in indicators and candlestick patterns, the link is in the description below. Okay, so as we can see, Super Signals EA is built for MetaTrader 4. But now let us just walk through the marketplace page from the top. It is developed by Roman Lomev, currently on version 1.5, last updated on the 12th of May 2026, and it has 5 activations. It is priced at just $30 US. The page opens with a clear promise that every trade is protected with no hidden risks and positions itself directly against bomb EAs that double lot sizes after losses. All right. According to the description, decisions come from a built-in algorithm that identifies short and long-term levels, referred to on the page as dist 1 and dist 2, rather than candlestick patterns or a stack of indicators. The logic is straightforward. Get a signal, enter, and if an opposite signal appears, the close on reverse setting closes the position, and if needed, reverses it. The page is genuinely direct about what it does not use, which is no martingale, no grid of orders, no averaging of losses, and no lot doubling. All right. So every trade carries its own stop loss, and lot sizing is either fixed or based on a percentage of capital. Okay. The developer states that it won't overtrade a loss or open opposing orders against an already open position. On settings, there is auto lot sizing based on risk percentage or a fixed lot size, the close on reverse logic we mentioned, stop loss and take profit in pips, a trailing stop with its own activation and step settings, an optional trend filter using SMA or EMA, spread and slippage protection, and an option to close trades strictly at candle close for calmer execution. Now for recommendations, the page suggests M5 and above for more stable signals and says it can be used on any currency pair as well as gold. On testing specifically, the developer is clear that every tick based on real ticks is the only reliable testing mode and recommends third-party tick data providers like Tick Story or Quant Data Manager, noting that built-in MT4 quotes often contain gaps that don't reflect real market structure. All right. For going live, at least 1 to 2 weeks on demo is described as mandatory, with a suggested starting capital from $100 per 0.01 lot. Now, let us get into the historical testing. All right. I ran this test on a $10,000 account, and I ran the test on Euro USD on the M5 chart as recommended using the every tick model, okay, covering roughly 3 months. Just over the past 3 months, as at the time of recording, I just ran the test over the past 3 months from late April through late July 2026. Now, one thing worth flagging up front is that the modeling quality on this particular test came out to about 64%, with a couple of mismatched chart errors reported, which lines up with the developer's own warning that built-in MT4 quotes data can have gaps. All right, so With that context, here is what the test showed. The total net result was a small loss of $114. The gross profit was $112. All right, 112.8 against a gross loss of $227.1, giving a profit factor of 0.5. The maximum drawdown was contained at $226, or about 2.26% of the account out of 17 total trades. Just under 59% were profitable, with the largest single win at $29.5 and the largest single loss at $50. So it's a fairly modest and contained spread between the two, consistent with the fixed stop loss approach described on the page. All right. And then we can also see that the maximum consecutive wins were just two maximum consecutive wins that resulted in a $50.45 profit, and then there was two consecutive losses that resulted in a $68.3 loss. Okay, looking at the graph, we can see that after all, there was a net profit in the negative, so it's not surprising to see that the balance was declining over time. You can see it was a steady decline over time. Okay, well, let's just briefly also look at the EA in action, just to see how the expert advisor looks like before we wrap up. Okay, so basically this is how the EA looks like, as it looks for opportunities in the market. Doesn't really seem to have a unique display. Yeah, the EA doesn't seem to have a unique display. It's just your chart, and then when the EA finds an opportunity, it establishes it, or rather executes its trade. You can see just like it did. Okay, so to wrap up, based on the available information, Super Signals produced a small contained loss in this particular test, with a low trade count and modest swings in either direction. Nothing dramatic in either the win or loss column, which does line up with the no martingale, no averaging positioning on the page. All right, so given the developer's own emphasis on data quality, though, I would recommend rerunning this with genuine third-party tick data rather than built-in quotes before drawing firm conclusions, and testing across a longer period to get a clearer read on consistency. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.